Elizabeth Anjorin, what you need, true treatment. You need people that will be constantly beating you up. Whenever they see you, they beat you up. They reset your brain by beating you, one. Or someone that can take you to where you can be taking your injection to sleep. It's a sickness. Going under people's comments to check what somebody drop. Emojis people drop on people's posts. It is insane. It is purely madness. There is nothing anybody can tell me. It is madness. Emma Bo. Oko mema bino pe ayaw. You maintain the to send this.
Keep that aside. Olufewa Kimi, on the sofa honorably that I do not want you to come and visit me.
You want to come and greet someone. Someone said she does not want to be associated with you. You are not classy. I will not want to have anything to do with that kind of person again. I will not want to put even for someone to say, don't worry, you don't have to come. Oh, then say be any people yo o tobi o juno aye ori ibu lo nse tí èyàn bá rárá fún mi ní ojú sign pé òun ò fẹ́ bá mi ṣe màá fún ní gbogbo fọ̀rẹ́ màá fún ní gbogbo lẹ́ǹtì owó tó go ó dùn ẹ́ nìyẹn. What you are telling people that rejecting you pa òun fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe yẹn ó dùn ẹ́ kò yẹ kó lè lọ fẹ́ni tó ti reject yẹ from visiting. It is shameless. It is very shameful of you láti máa bú ẹni tó lóun fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe má. Oh, there, I don't understand. It is psychological. It is bipolar thing. It is classless. If you give me an attitude that you don't want me around, I will leave the whole environment for you. Without letting people know. Silently. I will not want to see anybody. I will not want to be associated. Anytime in Bashima. Coming online to drag somebody who doesn't want to be associated with you is actually classless. I don't know who are your people, who are the people. This is just an honest advice. People supporting you, they are, I don't know. Insult.
The Franca's family, I don't want to be
insult
on the norms. Odenimo sukun olowo obodo ma sukun ode.
Exactly.
Because I don't really get, but
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí ojú abẹ tí ó sọ nínú fídíò yìí sí Lizzy Anjorin yẹn ti gbọ́ bí ó ṣe sọ wípé nǹkan tí Lizzy Anjorin nílò ní ayé rẹ̀ ni wípé ẹni tí yóò mọ lù dáadáa lóòrèkóòrè tí yóò mọ fi ìgbájú tí yóò mọ fi tún ọpọlọ rẹ̀ ṣe tàbí kí wọ́n máa gbìyànjú láti fún ní abẹ́rẹ́ tí ó nílò kí ọpọlọ rẹ̀ kí ó lè máa ṣiṣẹ́ déédéé. Ẹ ti gbọ́ àwọn nǹkan tí ó sọ, ẹ ti gbọ́ bó ṣe sọ wípé ìwà tí Dayo Amusa hù kò sí nǹkan kan tó burú níbẹ̀ o ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa.
Mo pé English kò tí yín tá wá máa ń sọ ló